Kailangan justify mo yung friends niya. Yes.
Sir Fidel, susubukan namin para sa'yo. Once again, happy birthday. Here's your request. Please welcome George Benson and Chops.
Yes.
Edward Malia. Gusto din sa'yo, Sir Fidel, tingnan mo daw sila sa mata.
Eye to eye contact.
Yes. Kasi nga, bibidyoan ka nila.
If my hands would be alive without you with me, the days would all be empty. The night would seem so long.
Iba matuwa si Sir Fidel. Ako yung si Fidel.
Forever, oh so clearly, I have been loved before, but it never felt this strong.